You are born for a reason.
Amen.
There is a purpose why you are here. Jy sê per toeval maar net hier op aarde nie. Maar daar is 'n rede hoekom dat jy hier is.
Yes, Lord.
En ek maak 'n nota in my introduction. Ek sê everyone was born for a reason. You are not an accident. You are a divine intention. God created you with a unique purpose, a destiny that only you can fulfill. And yet many people live and die without discovering why you are created. Dis baie sê om toe te gaan om nie te weet hoekom dat jy hier is. Die lewe gaan nie aldag oor hoe lang jy gelewe het nie. But did you live a life of purpose?